Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Philips 346E2CUAE 34-inch curved frameless monitor. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Philips E-Line 34-inch LCD monitor delivers crystal clear, UltraWide QHD 3440x1440 resolution for an expanded workspace compared to regular Quad HD monitors. Curved VA panel for wide viewing angles and immersive viewing experience. Power and recharge your notebook on a single USB-C cable with USB power delivery, compatible with laptops and phones. Philips ultra-wide color technology displaying up to 121.3% sRGB and 99.5% NTSC color gamut for lifelike images and accurate color reproduction. Philips 346E2CUAE 34-inch curved frameless monitors smooth gameplay. Ultra-fast 1 millisecond, MPRT, response times and a speedy 100 Hz refresh rate with adaptive sync technology provides fluid, artifact-free gaming performance. Philips MultiView technology allowing picture-by-picture or picture-in-picture, up to 2 devices, for maximum productivity. Philips monitors come with 4-year advance replacement warranty in the United States, minimizing downtime. The Philips 34E2CUAE/27 curved ultra-wide display offers expansive panoramic visuals. Its 3440x1440 QHD display with ergonomic stand provides optimal viewing conditions. With USB-C, built-in USB hub, flicker-free technology to reduce eye fatigue and a 1 millisecond response for crisp image and smooth gameplay, the Philips 34E2CUAE/27 curved ultra-wide display has it all. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.